What's good, Ghost Gang? This your boy, Ghost Fighter, 2Ts. Going back with another informative video. Try to keep this fun and interesting for you guys, so it's not just a regular video. We have this, and this is how I'm trying to be lit, bro. Yeah, nah. All right, so here we go, man. We got the ByTech University extendable tripod, bro. I've been needing one of these, so let's get right on into. I'll let you look at it. You see the price. 5 and below. $5.55. Okay? There's no point you going on Amazon and spending hundreds of dollars. You can just get this little bad boy. I got a tripod I'm looking at right now. I spent $5 on it. It still works perfectly fine for me. Okay? So let's get right on into the video. So, what this does, it has a foldable tripod bottom. So, you probably grab them and pull down and they close up, which is what I need, because it's the one I got now. You flip it around and hold it like a gun, or you can open it up into a tripod. It says it got a vertical horizontal view, so you can extend it up into the air and lean it down where you need it, or up or side or left or right. And then it says capable with most smartphones. So I noticed that this came with a controller. It says remote controller, play, pause, shutter button. I'm gonna have to give that a try and link it to my phone somehow and see if I can get it to work. That's going to be pretty cool to see. So it says it extends up to 2 feet. That's awesome. That's about this long. It's about 2 feet. Yes, sir. It's Bluetooth. Oh, might be on to something here, bro. This might be my new daily. Yeah, I'm excited, bro. So let's see the features. Foldable tripod, extendable 2 foot, adjustable at any angle, sturdy mount, play, pause, shutter button, remote control, fits most smartphones, up to 3 inches width, 1 CR battery included. I guess that's a battery that comes inside the remote control. Great for that was my bottle that did that. Hands-free picture, group photos, video record, video calling, and then, wow, you can do all that with the controller? Package contents is 1 tripod and 1 remote control, and then of course the battery. I'll let you see the back of it. You know what I'm saying, bro. You can hold it like a selfie stick, or you can put it on the tripod like that. Is probably how I'll be using it most of the time. And it just gives you, it's nice presentation. I like how even with the pictures they got them. They did a really good job with the presentation of the box. You see how it has the reflective remote down there. You see how that even the yeah, you see, those that know just know. You see how they did the presentation with the box? It's pretty dope. And it shows some stuff on the side. It's pretty dry, straight cut, dry cut, man. I mean, ByTech obviously is making a ton of money off people spending $5.55 at 5 and below, and they just got to deal with them. Hey, sell this many and this much, blah, 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 and sell it for this price. Because really, it used to be everything. It was 5 and below prices. Now 5 and below has done so well that they upped the price a little bit. Just like the dollar store. I used to go in a dollar store and get stuff. And when I was going to the dollar store and get stuff, bro, that 25-cent hit different. I'm dead serious. That 25-cent hit real different, bro. Hit real different. Now, instead of me going there spending $10, it's like $20. You know what I mean? So you got to be prepared when you go in the dollar store to spend some money now. That 25 cent make a difference. Nah. All right, man. So let's unbox it. And let's see the contents inside. What you actually get. I almost forgot I had to do that for the video. I'm up there looking at the time. And we eclipsed 4 minutes at this point. I appreciate you guys for watching my videos. That I make them entertaining enough that you guys get to enjoy them, and that it's not like boring, because I know some people do videos and their videos be real boring. Nothing inside the box. And it comes with the little instruction manual, okay, which I tend to never use, but let me look at it for a second. Okay, camera shutter, boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. Hit the little button, got a battery in it. Throw that back inside. Throw that back inside. Here we go. Ooh, I like what I'm seeing already. That's the presentation of how it comes. I think that's pretty sleek, man. Y'all let me know what y'all think. That's pretty cool. I like that. Put that inside, move that out the way, and let's, bro. Man, this thing is cold. Flip that up like that. Open these little things up, and let's see. They stretch. Let's see if they, oh, it stretches. Look, 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 look. Yes, sir, bro. Yes, sir. We on to something. And then you can tighten this down so it don't move, obviously. And boom. Wow. Babe, look. Woo-hoo-hoo. Man, 2 foot is, bro. That is nasty. I'm so excited, man. How I do these feet? I don't know what I'm doing. Oh. 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 I probably only use it like to pop about right here. I've been needing this, man. Yeah, bro, that is tough. Okay, so it got a tightener right here to tighten it so it don't move. You can put your camera in here like this and then lift it up. And then, okay, so just the one side moves, so that's gonna be the part that I put up top. And then it has a button right here. Okay, so see that little front little pouch? And here's the remote. That's it. So if I want to stop the video, I can be like, what's good, YouTube? Bye, YouTube. That's tough. I like this little gadget, bro. Take the little battery out the back. So the battery's already in it and it's Bluetooth connected. And I think it'll respond to the transmitter somehow on my phone to hit play. We'll figure it out. I'll leave something down in the comment section that the controller works or don't work, because it looked like it takes pictures and you can hit record and pause and all those good things. So, okay, so, man, because I've never had, clicks right in, you can put, oh gosh. Oh gosh. Do I know what I'm doing? Did I mess something up? I messed something up. Oh no, I thought I messed it up. Whew. Whew. Did I mess it up? I don't know, but obviously this goes down into there. Oh, hold on. Oh, okay. I thought I messed it up. So boom, just like so, click, and then you fold these little bad boys in, and you type. Man, that is a cool little look. Yeah. I'm excited for this thing, man. Wow. Hey, so 5 and below, 555. Go get you one. What y'all waiting for? Click off this video. Let that ad hit. Click off this video. Go get you one. This your boy Ghost out of 2 T's. I'm out, man.